Thoughts and Notions. Unit 2, Lesson 1. Thai Boxing. Boxing is popular in many countries. Two fighters wear boxing gloves on their hands. The boxers hit each other until one is knocked out or until the final bell rings. Each part of the fight is 3 minutes long. It is called a round. Thai boxing is different. The boxing match begins with music. Then the two fighters kneel and pray to God. Next, they do a slow dance that copies the movements of Thai boxing. During this dance, each fighter tries to show the other that he is best. Then the fight begins. In Thai boxing, the fighters can kick with their feet and hit each other with their elbows and knees. Of course, they hit with their hands too. Each round is 3 minutes long. Then the boxers have a 2-minute rest. Most boxers can fight only 5 rounds because this kind of fighting is very difficult. Thai boxing began over 500 years ago. If a soldier lost his weapons in a battle, he needed to fight with just his body. The soldiers learned how to use all the parts of their bodies. In 1560, the Burmese army captured Naresuan, the king of Thailand, in a war. King Naresuan was a very good boxer. He won his freedom from Burma by defeating all the best Burmese fighters. When he returned to Thailand, his people were very proud of him. Thai boxing became a popular sport.